How to lose weight with keto diet. There are many ways to lose weight, and following the ketogenic diet is one of them. In fact, keto is one of the most effective ways to lose weight rapidly and keep the fat off for good. This doesn't mean that a high-fat, low-carb diet is ideal for everyone that is aiming for weight loss. Some people may fare better with other dietary choices that fit more snuggly into their current lifestyles. Either way, you can lose weight and keep it off. In this video, we will look at the research to find the most effective ways on how to lose weight with keto diet so that you can finally find something that works for you. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. How does keto impact weight loss? Keto has some traits that are reminiscent of the Atkins diet and other low-carb plans. The keto diet involves dramatically reducing your carbohydrate consumption and substituting fat instead. This dietary alteration will put your body into a metabolic state known as ketosis. Keto 101. Ketosis is a completely normal metabolic function. Essentially, when your body doesn't have enough glucose for energy, it will burn stored fat instead. Glucose is created when carbohydrates are broken down inside your body. Cutting carbs from your diet means less glucose for your body to burn up. Replacing carbs with fats will cause acids called ketones to build up in your body. The goal is to force the body to derive its fuel from fat, rather than carbs. Keto for weight loss. Ketogenic diets are effective for losing weight and lowering risk factors for certain diseases. While low-fat diets are traditionally recommended for those looking to shed pounds, research shows that keto is, in fact, a superior approach to weight loss. Unlike many diets, keto will not leave you feeling hungry after eating a preset number of calories for the day. Keto is a satisfying and filling method of dieting. In fact, you can lose weight without tracking calories, something that deters many people from adhering to other diets. There are several reasons why keto is more efficient than a low-fat diet, including increased protein intake. Higher protein intake is advantageous for weight reduction and metabolic health. How to lose weight with keto diet. Beyond stepping into keto from a solid primal base, what else can you do to make keto work for your weight loss? 1. Get plenty of electrolytes. You'll want lots of sodium, magnesium, and potassium. Try 4.5 grams sodium, about 2 teaspoons of fine salt or a little under 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, 300 to 400 milligrams magnesium, and 1 to 2 grams of potassium each day on top of your normal food. Going keto really flushes out water weight, and tons of electrolytes leave with it. 2. Eat fat, but don't be crazy about it. Just because a ketogenic diet is a high-fat diet doesn't mean you should eat ungodly amounts of fat. Being ketogenic is more about not eating carbohydrates than it is eating as much fat as you possibly can. Eating extra fat in the first 4 to 7 days can accelerate keto adaptation by increasing AMPK signaling. After that first week, you can bring your intake down to the recommended 65 to 75% of total caloric intake. 3. Eat vegetables. The vast majority of vegetables are keto-friendly. Not only do they provide important micronutrients and phytonutrients, but they also provide negligible amounts of carbohydrates. To meet your essential micronutrient needs, above-ground vegetables should be the bulk of your keto diet in terms of volume, even while fat will provide the majority of your calories. 4. Eat berries. Raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, and blueberries are all quite low in glycemic load and extremely high in phytonutrients. While eating a flat of strawberries isn't very ketogenic, a large bowlful won't knock you out. 5. Eat fiber. Many people on ketogenic diets tend to ignore or malign fiber. That's a mistake. First, fiber doesn't digest glucose. It doesn't count. Second, fiber feeds your gut biome, providing fermentable substrate for your gut bacteria to turn into beneficial short-chain fatty acids and to provide support to your immune system. 6. Lift heavy things. A common criticism of ketogenic diets is that they cause loss of lean mass. This isn't totally unfounded. If your ketogenic diet reduces your appetite so much that you under it, you might lose muscle. If you're on a super low protein ketogenic diet, you might lose muscle. Lifting weights prevents these issues by sending an anabolic signal to your muscles and allowing the consumption of more protein without hampering ketosis. 7. Do lots of low-level aerobic activity. Walk, hike, jog, cycle, row. Keep things in the aerobic HR zone, under 180-age in heartbeats per minute, and you'll increase your utilization of body fat, which will speed up ketone production and adaptation. If you are finding value in this video, kindly like the video, it will help us in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. Here are some healthy and keto-friendly snack ideas. Fatty meat. Fatty fish. Unprocessed cheeses, optionally, add olives. A small handful of seeds or nuts. 1 or 2 hard-boiled eggs. Dark chocolate, 90%. A low-carb milkshake, add almond milk, nut butter, and cocoa powder. Full-fat yogurt with nut butter or cocoa powder. Strawberries with cream from grass-fed animal sources. Celery dipped in salsa or guacamole. Small portions of leftover dinners. When dining out, it's usually pretty easy to make most restaurant meals keto-friendly. Most restaurants feature meat or fish-based dishes. Order one of these plates and substitute any high-carb side dishes for vegetables. Egg-based meals, such as omelets or eggs and bacon, are also a great choice. They're not just good for breakfast, they can be dinner, too. Another keto favorite is the bun-less burger. Try swapping a side of fries for vegetables and adding avocado, bacon, or extra cheese to the burger. At Mexican restaurants, you can eat any type of meat on the menu. You can also add extra cheeses, salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. For dessert, try a mixed cheese place or berries and cream. Foods to avoid in keto diet. Any food that is high in carbohydrates should be limited or removed while attempting to achieve ketosis. Some of these foods include: 1. Sugary foods, cake, ice cream, candy, soda, fruit juice. 2. Grains or starches, cereal, pasta, rice, wheat-based foods. 3. Fruit. All fruit should be eliminated, except for small portions of berries. 4. Beans, peas, kidney beans, legumes, chickpeas, lentils. 5. Root vegetables, potatoes, carrots, sweet potatoes. 6. Low-fat packaged products. These diet products are highly processed and usually pack a lot of carbs. 7. Condiments and sauces. Many condiments and sauces contain sugar or unhealthy fats. Check the labels. 8. Unhealthy fats. Limit things like vegetable oil and mayonnaise. 9. Alcohol. Alcoholic beverages are high in carbs, which can take your body out of ketosis. 10. Sugar-free diet foods. These products can be high in sugar alcohols, which affect ketone levels. They're highly processed, too. How much weight loss will you get from following the keto diet? With a well-formulated keto diet, you can technically drop as much fat as you want. Yes, you read that correctly, you have the potential to sculpt your body into incredible shape with keto. However, most of us will not reach our body composition goals by simply restricting carbs and being in ketosis. From a dietary perspective, getting the results that you desire will take discipline, consistency, and a well-formulated, healthy dietary approach. The discipline and consistency are up to you. Our job is to provide you with the information that will help you reach your goals with the keto diet. To help you get started on your weight loss journey, we put together a list of the 4 fundamental principles that will help you formulate a healthy keto diet for your needs. 1. Eat the right amount of calories and protein to meet your goals. You can use Keto Calculator and Calorie Tracking Guide to help you with this. 2. Get most of your calories from micronutrient-dense foods. For more detailed information on what to eat, check out our guide to micronutrients and our keto food list in the description below. 3. Make sure your diet is improving your overall health and well-being subjectively and objectively. 4. Implement lifestyle adjustments to make your diet into a long-term lifestyle that you can follow indefinitely. You will know that you are following a well-formulated and healthy keto diet if these 4 variables are trending in the right direction. 1. Your mood, energy levels, and sense of well-being. 2. Your body composition. 3. Relevant biomarkers, e.g., blood pressure, cholesterol, triglyceride, and blood sugar levels. 4. Your ketone levels. How to track your fat loss on the ketogenic diet. There are many methods you can use to evaluate your fat loss, but the 2 simplest ways are by visually estimating your body fat percentage and by plugging your waist circumference, height, and weight into a body fat calculator. To learn more about how to visually estimate your body fat percentage, click the link in the description below on the topic. On the other hand, if you'd like to use a body fat calculator, here's what you do. 1. Wrap the tape measure around your waist at the level of your belly button. 2. Exhale all your air and secure the tape without stretching it. 3. Read the measurement, write it down, and calculate your percentage of body fat by plugging it into this body fat calculator. 4. Remeasure every 2 to 4 weeks to track your progress. 5. How to track your fat loss on the ketogenic diet. Although this isn't particularly accurate, it will provide you with a reasonable estimate of your body fat percentage that you can track while you are dieting. You can also look at your body fat percentage estimate along with your weight and waist circumference to determine if the weight you lost is fat or water. Waist circumference, for example, tends to decrease as fat mass decreases, providing you with an indicator that you lost fat. If your goal is to gain muscle mass and lose fat, then the numbers on the scale should either increase or stay the same as the numbers on the measuring tape, and your body fat percentage calculation decrease. The bulk of research suggests that the ketogenic diet is more effective than conventional diets in helping you lose weight and shed body fat. One of the reasons why the ketogenic diet provides such reliable weight loss results is because it consists primarily of highly satiating whole foods like meat, high-fat dairy, and low-carb vegetables while removing all carb-rich, sugar-laden processed foods from the diet. By eating in this way, you will feel full while eating fewer calories and losing weight. The most important part of the ketogenic diet is consistency. Approach this diet, or any other diet that you try, with the mindset that you will make it into a long-term sustainable lifestyle. When you hit a plateau, don't give up. We all hit plateaus eventually. Take it as an opportunity to recalculate your calorie needs, adjust your goals, and implement new strategies. To maximize your fat loss on keto even further, follow these suggestions. 1. Track your macronutrient consumption. 2. Aim to reduce your waist circumference and body fat percentage. 3. Eat the right amount of protein. 4. Reduce your stress levels. 5. Lift weights. 6. Supplement your diet with MCTs and CLA. 7. Implement some of the fasting and dieting strategies that we recommended above in the video. By following the ketogenic diet and implementing some of these suggestions, you can achieve incredible results. For example, you might be able to lose 32 pounds in just 2 months like Taryn, or you can transform from being obese with metabolic syndrome to having near optimal health and blood work in 3 months like Ross. To find out what else is possible with the ketogenic diet, follow this link in the description below for more success stories. If you'd like to get started on your keto weight loss journey, click the link in the description below. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below and let us know what you think, and also hit the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have handpicked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.